I bought a Whirlpool steam dryer, so I have to set up the water inlet so that I can use the steam. And I'm sure it's a very simple process. I will try it, so watch me if you like, because I'm sure it's a pretty easy process. Let's begin this new adventure. I have here all the washers, the Y connector, and a little piece of hose that looks a bit too small because the outlet is way at the bottom of the dryer. But I know I will improvise. I will probably take this longer hose that's attached already to my washer, put that one on the dryer, and put the shorter one on the washer. The reason being, the outlet, if you see the outlet there, it's at the top of my washer, so it does not need that long hose because that's the top of the washer and there is the outlet. So I need just a short hose. So what I will do is just switch the hoses. The first thing we have to do is turn the cold water off. So this is the turn off switch. We just turn this off. So there it is, I've turned it off. If you look, you see this is on, the hot water is still on. Turn it the other way so you know this is off. Then you take this off. So I have to turn the knob to take the hose off, because here is where we're putting the Y connector. So turn to get it off. There, it's off. Drain any water that's inside. Just drain it in your drainage. That's my drainage. Now I will connect the Y connector. Just need to say that the Y connector that comes with the package will not work because it has rings on all three sides. We need rings on two sides where we attach the hose, but the one that's connecting to the wall needs to have the rings inside. So I'm going. Okay, so here I have the correct ones. If you notice, rings on two sides, and this one has the ring on the inner side because this is the one that needs to go into the wall. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is put washers in it. They all need washers so that it does not leak. So we put the washer in this one before we put it into the wall plug. Okay, so we just put the washer in. Okay, I'm not taking the tag off until I know that it fits properly, just in case I need to take it back. But it seems to be okay. So here I have, you can see the washer, the black ring. I put the washer in. Now we will just attach it to the wall and then attach the hose. So we just screw the big side in here. Okay, we just screw it in. Just turn until it stops. Okay, there it is. Stopped. Now we will just attach back the hose. So I will attach this one over here because this is the one for the dryer. Remember I said I have to switch because it's long and I need a short one here and this long one for the bottom because the attachment's way at the bottom. Now I will attach this one on this side. First I need to put the washer in. See, if you look, you'll see the black washer. Now we just screw it on here. Just screw until it stops. Okay. And now we will connect at the back. One connection for the washer and the other one for the dryer. This is the back of the dryer. Just make sure you read it says cold. Take off the cold attachment. Just unscrew this one because I'm going to put this one that's longer at the bottom of the dryer because I need a long one connected to the dryer. So I unhook that, put it aside to hook to the dryer, and this, if you see the black connection hose here, that's what I have here. I will connect this one to my washer. So I just connect it here. Just turn until it stops. And you know you're good. See? You turn, it stops, you know you're connected. So there I have the connection, you can see. From the wall, the main pipe, all the way here to the cold water in the washer. So that's one connection. Now I need to connect the second one, which is this one. Remember, it's a split, so this one now I will connect to the bottom of the dryer. Okay, so here we have the connection for my steam dryer. I can't get it any clearer because it's at the back. Now you take off the plastic cap that it came with, and you just screw on the attachment from the wall. So we just screw this on. Once again, we turn until it stops. Just turn until it stops. And there it is, all connected, my steam dryer. All I needed was a Y connector. Okay, the next thing we have to do is turn the water back on and check for leaks. If it's leaking, the washer either needs fixing or it needs to tighten a bit. So here we go, we're turning the water back on. You hear it gurgle there. So bingo, no leaks, perfect. Check it there, no leaks, no leaks. Here we check the connection here. Once again, no leaks, it's all dry. Now we check the one by the dryer bottom for leaks. Off we go. And there it is there. Check there. No leaks. So we're all good to go. And we can now try out our wonderful steam dryer.